Welcome to Class 1 Math Magic NCERT Mathematics Chapter 4 Subtraction. Subtraction, that is take away. So children, before starting the exercises from your chapter, first we will understand what is subtraction. So let's see an animation for that. On this tree, what you can see? You can see one parrot. So no, one parrot is there. Now 2 parrots, 3 parrots, 4 parrots and 5 parrots. So totally how many parrots are there? Altogether 5 parrots are there on the tree. Now what happened? One parrot flied away. So now how many parrots are there? First there were 5 parrots. Take away one parrot. Why take away? One parrot flied away. That is flied away. One parrot flied away. Now it's equals to how many parrots? 4 parrots. Now again one more parrot flied away. So now before there were 4 parrots and one parrot flied away. So now we have 3 parrots. Now again one more parrot flied away. So first there were 3 parrots, one parrot flied away, so left out 2 parrots. Now that parrot also flied away. So before there were 2 parrots, so if we take away 2 parrots, take away 1 parrot, it's equals to 1 parrot. Now only 1 parrot is there. Now if this 1 parrot also goes away, then will there be any parrot? No, 0 parrots. So no children. So take away means subtraction. For example, if you are having 5 chocolates, you eat away 1 chocolate, then how many are left? 4 are left. Yes or no? So take away means subtraction. That is, we are reducing the objects or we are removing the objects. Okay, and if it's numbers, we are removing the numbers. We are reducing the content which is there. Okay, so take away means what? Subtraction. And the symbol of subtraction is just one sleeping line, that is minus. We call it as minus also. What we call this? Minus also. And when we are writing in numbers, first we'll write the number, then you will put the subtraction sign, then we will put equals to, and then we'll write the answer. Okay, let's see how to write that. In the first one, first how many parrots were there? 5 parrots. So 5 take away subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction? I said minus. How many parrot flied away? 1 equals to 4. So now before there were 5 parrots, in that 1 flied away. So how many is left? 4. Only 4 minus 1 equals to 3. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Okay children, understood what is subtraction? Subtraction is take away. Addition means we added that time. So no, all together we added that time. We write and in between. Subtraction means take away, that is minus. Now page number 61. Take away. See, count the number of flowers in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers are there with the girl? 5 flowers. Take away. How many flowers she gave to the boy? 1, 2. So 2. How many is left? Equals to. Totally how many flowers are left with the girl? 1, 2, 3. Understood? 5. Take away 2. Left 3. So let's see the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many leaves? 4. Take away. How many leaves have been taken away? 1, 2. 2. Then how many are left? 1, 2. Next. Butterflies. How many butterflies are here children? 1, 2, 3. So in this box you will write 3. How many are taken away? How many flied away? 1, 2, 3. So 3 butterflies were there. 3 butterflies flied away. Then are there any butterflies near the flower? No. Then we call it as 0. Now here. Now how many sticks are with him? Pencils are with him? 1, 2, 3. So here you will write 3. how many he gave to the girl? 1. So you'll write here 1. So 3 were there. He gave 1. So how many are left with the boy? 2. Page number 62. Now see how many jugs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many jugs are there? 6 jugs are there. In the 6 jugs, how many broke? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll write here 4. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. So how many good jugs are left with you? 2. Understood, children? First you had 6 jugs. How many jugs you had? 6 jugs you had. Okay, 6 jugs you had. In the 6, what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 got broken. So how many are left with you? 2 jugs. That is 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Now, how many frogs are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs. So 5 minus how many jumped into the water? 1, 2. 2 equals to, so how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So what you'll write in the box? 3. Next, count the leaves, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 leaves are there. In that minus, how many leaves fell down? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4 equals to, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you will write 5. Next, see how many mangoes are there in the basket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mangoes. So you'll write 5 here. Minus how many mangoes did the girl eat? 1 equals to, so how many left in the basket? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children, the next one, page number 63. Now first see how many glasses are here, children. 1, 2, 3. So here you will write 3. How many got broke? 1, 2, 3 got broke. So 3 glasses were there. 3 got broke. Are there any glass left? No, 0. Now count the spears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you will write 7. How many are taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4 is taken away, so 7 minus 4, then how many are left? 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you will write 6 minus how many apples are taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you will write 4 equals to, so how many left? 1, 2, 2. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Now count the flowers in this bottom. So it's not visible, so I'll enlarge it for you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many flowers are there? 7. So in the box you will write 7. So how many have been taken? All 7 have been taken. So 7 minus 7, 0. Page number 64. Now count the number of cows here, children. 1, 2, 3. 3 cows are there. In that how many left? 1 left. So 3 minus 1 equals to 2. First 3 were there. In 3 1 left. So left out is 2. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4 books. How many books are there? 4 minus how many books have been taken away? 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 3 is equals to, from 4 if you take away 3, 1, 2, 3. Then how many is left? 1. How many books are left? 1. Now next count the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Are any tomatoes in the hand? Are any tomatoes taken? No. Nothing means 0 equals to, so nothing is taken. So it will be same, 4. Now next count this. 1, 2, 3. How many threads are there? 3. In that how many are taken away? 1, 2. So 3 minus 2. If you take away 2 threads, then how many is left? Only 1. So here you will write 1. Page number 65. As we did in addition, If you do horizontally is also same, vertically also same. 5 minus 4, if you write like this horizontally, that is in this form of a sleeping line, that is also same. And if you write in the form of a vertical, that is standing line, 5 minus 4, that is also same. So before 5 balls were there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls were there. In that minus 4, always see, minus means take away, remove. Okay, if you remove 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many is left? 1. Okay, now the next one, 6 minus 2, for 6 balls are there. In that how many you have to remove? Remove means cross it out, 1, 2, then what is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll write here 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Next, 9 balls are there. From the 9 balls you have removed, subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you have subtracted. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the box you will write 4. Next one, 4 balls were there. In that you removed, that is subtracted 4. Then are there anything left? No, nothing. Nothing means 0. Next, 8 balls are there. In that you have removed, subtracted 3. 1, 2, 3. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left, children? 5. Page number 66, subtract and match. We have to subtract it and then match. Now, here I will show you what all ways you can do. Just now we have seen few methods. Now children, now we will see few other methods also. So 4 minus 2 means open 4 fingers in your hand and then minus 2, that is subtract 2. Then what did I say? Subtract means take away, remove. So out of 4 fingers you have to close 2 fingers. Then how many fingers are opened? 2 fingers are opened. How many fingers are opened? Out of 4 I have to close 2 more. Then how many are open? 2 are open. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay children, then you will match. For where is 2? You will match it to that. Otherwise, one more method what you will do is 4. 4 means you will draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Then minus 2, that is take away 2. 2 lines will cut it out. Then left out is 2. Understood children? Now the next one. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines have drawn. Otherwise open 7 fingers. How many fingers you will open? 7 fingers. Minus means subtract. What you have to minus? 2. So close your 2 fingers. Then count the remaining open fingers. I'll show it here. If I cross out 2 lines, then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left? 5. So I'll match it to 5. Next one, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers you will open. In that close, subtract 1. So close 1 finger. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Similarly, 5 minus 1, children, 5 minus 1 is 4. Open 5 fingers, close 1 finger. So how many fingers left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 6 minus 3. So open 6 fingers, close 3 fingers from that. So the answer is 3. 7 minus 1. Open 7 fingers, close 1 finger. Then the answer is 6. 5 minus 0. From 5, 0 means you are not removing anything. So answer left with you is 5. Then do this side also children. 9 minus 5. So you will open 9 fingers. From that close 5 fingers. Then the left out is 4. 8 minus 2. Open 8 fingers. Close 2 fingers from that. So left out is 6. 7 minus 4. So the other method also I will do here. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That how many we have to remove? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many left? 1, 2, 3. So you will match it to 3. 8 minus 0. From 8 we are not removing anything. So left out 8. Now next 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that I remove 3. So left out is 2. Similarly, 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 7. Open 7 fingers. Close 7 fingers. Then are any fingers left open? No. So then it is 0. Page number 67. So similarly we will do here also ma. 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that cancel 2, then the answer is 3. Next 7 minus 7. From 7 if we remove 7, 0. 8 minus 4. So what you will do, you will draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 4. So cancel 4. So cancel 4. Left out is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 3 minus 1. 3 fingers open. Close 1 finger. So answer is 2. Now 4 minus 0. From 4, if we don't remove anything, 4 will be left. 6 minus 5. Open 6 fingers, close 5 fingers. How many left? 1. Similarly, 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 7. Open 9 fingers, close 7 fingers in that. Then the left out answer is 2. 3 minus 0. From 3, if we don't remove anything, the answer is 3. 8 minus 8. From 8, you remove 8. Answer is 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Page number 68. Write the missing numerals. So here what you have to do is, you have to write the missing numerals, children. From 8, how many you remove? You will get 7. So first for that what you do? You put 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer you should get? 7 you should get. So 7 you should get. So circle this 7. So from 8, how many if you remove? You have to remove 1. From 8, if I remove 1, then I will get 7. Similarly, the next one. Put 5 lines. 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to remove something. So the answer is 1. So circle 1. So what is, how many lines are left out? 4. So the answer is 4. From 5, if I remove 4, then I will get 1. Now 3. So put 3 lines. Minus dash is equal to 3. So again 3 is left out. So are any lines left out? No. So the answer is 0. Sorry children, here it's a typing mistake. This is 0. What is this? This is 0. 3 minus 0. Because if we don't remove anything, then only the same number will be left. 9 minus 2. This is simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In that how many I should cancel? 2 lines I should cancel. Left out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now next one children. This what you will do? If you want to get this number, add these two numbers. Do addition of these two numbers, then you will get this. Okay. You don't know what object is that. From that object you are removing 2 things. Okay. 2 things you have removed. Then what is the answer you are getting? 3. So from some number you have to remove 2, then you will get 3. So for that what you have to do? You have to add this to this. Okay children? You have to add this to this. That is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Similarly here 3 plus 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 0, nothing is there. So you have to get 0 means what? We have to remove the same number. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Next here, from some number, if I remove 2, I should get 7. So what number is that? So 7, add 2 to that. So 7 plus 2, 8, 9. Okay children, understood? By this, we have completed our chapter subtractions. Meet you in the next chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.